The mind is not one thing. It shifts through different modes, different speeds, different electrical rhythms. Scientists call these rhythms brain waves, but in spirituality, these waves explain something deeper. Why the mind is restless, why meditation works some days but not others, and why deep states like intuition or yogic sleep happen only in certain mind states. Today I'll explain the 5 main brain waves: beta, alpha, theta, delta, and gamma in a simple, clear way. Not just science, but how each wave affects meditation, healing, intuition, and spiritual perception. Number 1. Beta waves, the thinking mind. Beta waves are the state you live in most of the day. This is the thinking mind, planning, analyzing, decision making, and reacting, even worrying. Beta is fast and sharp, like mental electricity running at full speed. Spiritually, beta is neither good nor bad. You need it to function, solve problems, and stay alert. But the problem is, if you stay too long in beta, the mind becomes noisy. Meditation becomes difficult because the brain is running at high speed. This is why you can sit to meditate and nothing happens. Not because meditation is hard, but because the brain is still in beta. Number 2. Alpha waves, the calm mind. Alpha is the calm but awake state. This wave appears when your body relaxes, your breath slows, and your mind stops rushing. Alpha is the doorway to meditation. It's the bridge between outer awareness and inner awareness. You enter alpha naturally when sitting quietly, after a deep breath, walking peacefully, after a warm shower, listening to calming music, or watching nature. Spiritually, alpha slows down internal noise. The senses relax, thoughts become soft, awareness becomes gentle. This is why meditation teachers say, relax first, then meditate. Relaxation moves beta to alpha automatically. Number 3. Theta waves, the deep inner mind. Theta is deeper. This is the state between waking and sleep. Not fully conscious, not fully unconscious. You enter theta when you are dreaming, you're half asleep in the morning, you're deeply relaxed, you're meditating and lose track of time. Your mind becomes still but not asleep. Theta opens the subconscious mind. This is where stored memories, early childhood impressions, emotions, and symbols live. Spiritually, theta is powerful because intuition becomes sharp, inner images appear, emotional healing happens naturally, creativity flows, and deep meditation experiences appear. Many ancient yogic experiences such as visualizations, symbolic dreams, intuitive guidance occur in theta. This is why a lot of people feel meditation changes them even if they don't know how. Theta rewires the subconscious. Number 4. Delta waves, the no mind state. Delta is the slowest brain wave. This is deep sleep without dreams. The mind becomes blank, no thoughts, no images, no identity. But the interesting part is, advanced meditators can enter delta while staying conscious. Yogis call this yoga nidra, the yogic sleep, a state where the body sleeps but awareness stays awake. Delta has powerful effects on the body: deep cellular repair, hormonal balancing, nervous system reset, emotional detox, and physical healing. Spiritually, delta is the state of absence. No mind, no story, no ego. Only pure awareness remains. And finally, gamma waves, the insight mind. Gamma is the rarest brain wave. It appears during moments of pure clarity, like a sudden realization, a deep meditative insight, or an experience of expanded awareness. Gamma is extremely fast, but not chaotic. It's like the mind becomes laser sharp, silent, and spacious all at once. Monks, meditators, and advanced yogis show high gamma activity when they enter deep compassion, experience non-dual awareness, feel unity or oneness, understand something instantly, and have spiritual insight. Gamma is the peak awareness state. Some describe it as, I felt everything and nothing at the same time. Each wave plays a role in spiritual evolution. Beta is for learning concepts, Alpha is for entering meditation, Theta is for inner healing and intuition, Delta is for deep silence and restoration, and Gamma for insight and expanded consciousness. No wave is good or bad, they are simply different doors into the inner world. In meditation, you naturally move through these waves. Beta when mind is active, Alpha when mind slows, Theta when mind opens, Delta when mind dissolves, and Gamma when mind awakens. This is why your experience changes day to day. The brainwave you start with decides the depth of meditation. So the mind is not one state, it is waves. And understanding these waves helps you understand your meditation, your emotions, and your spiritual growth.